All right, let's look at choosing between Copilot Connector and Power Platform Connector knowledge sources. To really nail this distinction for your AB 620 exam, we're going to skip the fluff and start with a simple banking analogy.
Imagine you're a branch support agent at a bank. Let's call it Woodgrove Bank. When a customer walks in with a complicated problem, you'd rely on two completely different types of tools, right? First, you've got this static, printed rulebook for bank policies. That stuff rarely changes, but it absolutely has to be official and accurate. But if a customer asks, hey, how much money is in my account right this second? Well, that printed rulebook is completely useless. You need a live computer connection straight to the bank's core system, the vault, to get that up to the second balance. Well, your AI agent actually works the exact same way. It needs different pipelines for different types of information.
Section 1, Copilot Connectors, which we call the index-based approach.
Think of this approach like giving your agent that highly organized rulebook we just talked about. In plain English, semantic indexing just means we take documents from outside systems, like a company wiki, a project management tool, or a massive document drive, and we literally copy and organize that content into Microsoft Graph. Now, Microsoft and its partners actually give us over 100 pre-built connectors to do exactly this. And if you can't find the specific one you need, developers can easily build custom ones using the Microsoft 365 Agents Toolkit. The absolute key takeaway here is that the AI agent is not reading the original document live. Nope, it's reading a highly optimized, searchable copy sitting right there inside the Microsoft Graph index.
So the technical flow looks a bit like this. Content gets ingested just once from the source system, and it moves right into the Microsoft Graph index where it just sits, ready and waiting. Then, when a user asks your Copilot Studio agent a question, the agent searches that graph index, not the original source. This search and index pattern is incredibly fast for reading massive walls of text, and since the text is sitting right there inside your Microsoft 365 environment, the agent can easily point to exactly where it found the answer.
For the AB 620 exam, you'll definitely want to lock these facts down. Copilot connectors, they are perfect for static or really slowly changing reference materials. They inherently support citations, which means the agent is going to give the user a clickable link straight to the exact IT procedure or HR policy it used. But keep in mind, there is a strict administrative dependency here. A Microsoft 365 administrator actually has to configure this connector in the admin center before you, the maker, can even touch it. Oh, and remember that indexing pipeline runs in the background to keep things synced, so it is not instant.
Section 2. Power Platform Connectors, or the real-time API approach.
So, what if the data changes every single second? Real-time knowledge completely flips the script. Instead of copying data ahead of time, the agent reaches directly into the live system on demand. It pings the source at the exact moment a user asks a question. Imagine a logistics company tracking a delivery truck, or an airline checking if a seat is still open. You literally cannot afford the delay of waiting for some search index to sync up. You need the absolute truth, right this very second.
The crucial architectural difference here is that the agent skips the index entirely. It makes a request through a live API directly to the source system. It grabs the data, shows it to the user, and then boom, it's gone. No data moves into Microsoft 365. Absolutely no data is replicated. Honestly, this is an incredibly powerful setup for transactional operations.
Make sure you memorize this for the exam. This live approach is absolutely mandatory in two specific scenarios. First, when data freshness is non-negotiable. Think live balances or up-to-the-minute ticket statuses. Second, when strict privacy rules or data residency regulations explicitly prohibit copying sensitive records into the Microsoft 365 tenant. The trade-off? Well, because the AI isn't reading from an indexed document, it doesn't give you inherent citation support. Also, just a quick note, as of April 2026, real-time knowledge via Power Platform Connectors is a preview feature, so keep an eye out for UI changes before it hits general availability.
Putting it simply, side by side, you're going to choose the Index Copilot connector for stable documents that really need citations. And you'll go with the Live Power Platform connector for those fast-changing transactional records, or where copying data is simply impossible or illegal.
Okay, this decision matrix right here is basically your ultimate cheat sheet. I highly recommend pausing the explainer for a second to really study these exact trade-offs, because I guarantee they'll show up in scenario questions. Notice the distinct differences in who handles the setup. It's Microsoft 365 admins for the indexed approach versus makers and admins in the Power Platform for the live API approach. Also pay close attention to who controls the index, Microsoft Graph on the left and the original source system itself on the right. Let's talk about a very common exam trap, choosing the wrong source for the nature of your data. If you mistakenly use an indexed Copilot connector for live inventory,
Your agent is going to confidently give the user stale, outdated answers because the index just hasn't synced yet. On the flip side, if you try to use a real-time live API connector to read through massive IT reference manuals, well, the retrieval is going to be painfully slow, and the agent won't even be able to provide those clickable citations that users rely on to verify the steps. Basically, wrong source equals bad results.
Section 3. Let's do some scenario testing with our Woodgrove Bank application.
Let's lock this knowledge in by applying it directly to a scenario you might actually see on the test, bringing it right back to our Woodgrove Bank example. If an agent needs to answer, what's the procedure for escalating a suspicious login, it has to use the Copilot connector. Why? Because that answer is buried in a citable IT procedure article that rarely changes. It's a natural fit for indexed content. But if the prompt is, what's the current balance on account 4471, it absolutely must route to the Power Platform connector. The answer has to reflect the live account state, and honestly, copying highly regulated banking data into the Microsoft Graph Index would be a massive compliance violation.
Section 4. The Azure AI Alternative, using custom vector indexes.
Before we finish up, there is a third pattern you need to be aware of. Sometimes an organization needs absolute granular control over the indexing pipeline, the embedding models, and how unstructured data is tuned. When that happens, they step entirely outside of Microsoft Graph. Think of a highly regulated compliance document vault where data scientists need to tweak exactly how the semantic search works. In this case, they bypass Copilot connectors entirely and connect Copilot Studio directly to their own custom Azure AI Search Index. It's a much more advanced option for semantically rich data governed by really specific custom rules.
So to wrap this all up, whenever you face an AB620 scenario question about knowledge sources, I want you to ask yourself this ultimate guiding question. Are you looking for a stable reference policy or a live transactional number? Answering that one simple question will immediately tell you whether to index the data with a Copilot connector or fetch it live with a Power Platform connector. So, how are you going to apply this logic to the very next agent you build?